Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Lhasa to Watch channel. We've got some exciting news to share today. It looks like Garmin is gearing up for a major announcement and the buzz is growing. Recent rumors suggest that 3 new models in the Fenix 8 series could be on their way. So, let's dive into all the details and see what's cooking in the world of Garmin. Get ready for the next big thing in smartwatches. Current releases. So far, we've seen the release of the standard Fenix 8 and the Fenix 8 Solar, which introduced groundbreaking features like dive support and a voice assistant. But hold on, things are about to get even more exciting. Leaked models. Leaked screenshots from the Garmin Connect app, shared on Reddit, hint at the arrival of 3 additional models: the Fenix 8 Pro 47mm, Fenix 8 Pro 51mm, and an entirely new Fenix 8 Micro LED version. These models briefly appeared in the app's Add Device section before disappearing, sparking widespread speculation. Pro models. The Pro models seem like a natural upgrade, bringing enhanced specs and potentially improved internals. It's rumored that the Pro models will come in 2 sizes, 47mm and 51mm. Solar charging might also remain a feature, but nothing has been confirmed just yet. Micro LED version. The real game changer here could be the Micro LED version. This technology offers brighter displays, better energy efficiency, and virtually no risk of burn-in compared to AMOLED displays. If Garmin can deliver this technology, it would be a remarkable achievement and could revolutionize the smartwatch market. Speculations. What's particularly intriguing is whether this leak was a software glitch or a deliberate teaser. According to 5K Runner, this doesn't look like a random mistake. The blacked-out watch faces in the leaked images add credibility, suggesting these are actual devices rather than mislabeled placeholders. Multiple references to these models within the app further fuel the idea that Garmin could be holding back some major features for the Pro versions. Buying advice. If you're considering buying a Fenix 8, it might be worth waiting to see what these new models bring, especially the Micro LED version, which could be revolutionary. For those unfamiliar with Micro LED technology, it offers brighter displays, better energy efficiency, and virtually no risk of burn-in compared to AMOLED displays. Tech companies like Apple have been exploring Micro LED for years, but the high production costs have been a significant challenge. Pricing and release dates. As of now, Garmin hasn't officially announced these models, so there's no confirmed information on pricing or release dates. However, if they do launch, the new models will likely be priced higher than the standard Fenix 8, which starts at $1,000.